Right, so hey guys. Yeah, I'm going back to normal, except I have OBS open. Right, so what I'm doing a VirtualBox tutorial. God, it's going back to normal, like from a year ago. But I'm installing, basically I'm installing MS-DOS 7.1. It's an unofficial MS-DOS made by, I think it's made by the China DOS Union. And it has like loads of new features, well not new features, but it has like stuff built in, so it has a mouse driver. You can get add-ons which aren't really working very much, and yeah, so that's about it really. And also it has a startup screen a bit like Windows 95. So what we're going to do, we're going to make a new virtual machine. We're going to call it MS-DOS. Then name it 7.1, then in brackets I'm just going to put CDU. And it should automatically go to other DOS. If not, you can set it to that in these settings here. Press next. I would set it to about 64, just look. I mean, it doesn't need it, but you may as well. You can create one. In 6.22, you can make one up to 2 gigabytes. So I'm just going to stick to 2 gigabytes, but it might support bigger file sizes. So yeah, you can just use that slider there. I'm going to take it out of my pen testing lab. Yeah, I'm a 12-year-old pretty much. No, 13, I think. I'm a bit stupid. Well, anyway, yeah, and I do that. But yeah, I don't. Well, let's get on to it. Go to settings. I'll link it down below. It's from WinWorld. So you can either get CDs or you can get floppies. So I've just got the CD. So I have it here. But what you'll do, you press choose virtual optical disk file. Then mine is on my desktop, I think. And yeah, Microsoft DOS 7.1. This is what it would be called, except it might say floppy there. So we're just going to open that, and I'm going to press OK. I'm going to start it. And I've already made Sound Blaster tutorials and stuff like that. So what you're going to do, you press enter. And you see it's already got the mouse driver, so you're going to click in there because it doesn't support mouse integration obviously. To get out of this, you press right control or whatever your host key is, and you can get back to this. So I'm going to make it windowed full screen. So you're going to click next, or you're going to press enter, or next. Make sure you have I agree selected, it will be normally. Next, continue. You're going to create a partition, does it for you, and then you're going to reboot. And you'll do the same thing, press enter, you'll go through the same thing again, except it's been formatted. So you'll go on to the next screen here. Right, so you're going to press yes now. And just for compatibility of some programs, I'll just rename that DOS, but you can keep it as it is if you want. So you're going to create it, and you want to do full installation. It says 2 disks, that's only for the floppy drive, so it won't be for the CD. You're going to press next. I'm going to change something. Next. Yes. Right, so you want to take off install add-ons because they sometimes don't work. And then press next. You just want to press no or yes here. It doesn't matter. I'm just going to press no. And you're going to press OK. So this will take like 2 seconds. It's really not much. Right, and this is the DOS Startup logo. It's like Windows 95. You can have it on, or you don't have to if you don't want to. I'm going to press yes. And yeah, it doesn't really matter because you probably won't be doing debugging, but if you are, then okay. Yeah, so this is with our other DOS programs. So you just want to press yes here because otherwise it might do some stuff. I would just enable both. There's no point in not. And press load both. You can just tick all of these, it doesn't really matter. CT mouse is the mouse driver, so if you want, you don't have to have that. Smart drive is a good choice. I have no idea what this is, sorry. Long file name support, that's a good idea. Power management, why not? And sharing, you probably won't be anyway, but yeah. Right, so here you can pick your language pretty much. I'm not in the US, I'm in the UK, but just press US. So what that'll do, it'll basically give you the US keyboard, which is a bit different. The main difference is speech marks is swapped with the @ symbol, and press OK here, yes. And because I haven't removed the thing, the disc, you can press 3, and it will start up. That's the thing. So you're in now, and what you may as well do, press your host key, go on to devices, optical drives, and remove your disk from the virtual drive. So now you're in DOS, you can do whatever you want. I'm not in Linux, so I'm not going to type in ls. So you can see you've got normal stuff as well as some other things, and you can do whatever you want. Edit's a thing. Now it is going to this black version. I'm not sure if that's in DOS or it's just because it's in the thing. So to correct this, you probably want to go to View, Options, Colours, and you can select what you want. So I think normally it's blue on white, so you press OK. And then obviously this bit's a bit off, but yeah, you can do that, and then exit. So obviously because you've got the mouse driver, you don't have to keep pressing Alt and then using your thing and then pressing Enter and then Enter again. You don't have to do that, you can use the mouse. So that's pretty much it. In the next tutorial is probably going to be another VirtualBox tutorial, to be honest. And obviously we just want, because on DOS machines you just turned it off, we're going to just press close, power off the machine, and you're done. So that is your MS-DOS 7.1 fully installed, except with no add-ons because sometimes they cause an issue. Alright, so what we're going to do now, yeah, you can see my OBS. Look at that tunnel, it's beautiful. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and I want to say thank you for your time, especially after I've been gone for a year. But yeah, that's about it, so I'll see you guys in the next one.